The Made by Google leaks persist, with someone recently getting hands-on experience with the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. Two videos were shared on TikTok by a user named Pixiphone via YTechB.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything, fire spreading.
The videos showcase pre-release hardware indicated by etchings on the rear panel that Google uses to identify prototype units. However, the presence of the G logo suggests that this is more finalized hardware. A sticker or label has been attached to cover the pattern. The comparison reveals that the smaller Pixel 9 features a glossy rear panel, while the 9 Pro XL has a matte finish that is less prone to fingerprints. Interestingly, the flat side rails are reversed between the two models, resulting in a shiny perimeter for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This difference is quite noticeable and somewhat unfortunate. On these units, the regulatory markings are located on the left edge near the bottom. Pixel phones in the US have been without these markers for several generations, except for the Pixel Fold. It's unclear if this design is specific to the prototype units, as the etchings also appear on the back, or if it represents the final international look. There is a noticeable size difference between the anticipated 6.24-inch screen on the Pixel 9 and the 6.73-inch screen on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, though it's not too drastic. A second video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a 6.8-inch screen. The shots offer a clear view of the thickness of the camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL.
Around my room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality.